Hey, this is Simon from Nerd Safari, and we are here at the 2020 Carlisle Ford Nationals.
There's a little burnout for you, Carlisle.
And right now we're going to go look at some awesome Shelby Mustangs. I am a huge fan of Shelby Mustangs, but where I grew up in the UK, you could barely ever see one. So, seeing so many in one place was truly mind-blowing. I was particularly amazed at how many of the brand new GT500 and GT350 Shelbys were on display. But let's not forget about the S197, still probably my favorite Mustang body shape of all. You can see exactly how much care has been poured into these cars, and the owners should be really proud. Carlisle Ford Nationals was not lacking in classics. Check out these gorgeous late 60s Shelbys. Bullets always hold a special place in my heart. Inspired by the Steve McQueen movie of the same name and relatively rare, there were some awesome examples on display. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, and we will be back with more Mustangs very soon.
Shut up and sit down.